Hello everyone, my name is Subin. Welcome to Workaround game. So today we'll be discussing about a very simple topic, but we do get a lot of cases in regards with the same. It is probably because we do all try. If I talk about this particular session, it is simple topic how we can uninstall Office package, which everyone might thinking it is very simple by going on control panel and uninstall the program, which is absolutely correct. So first of all, why do we do that? So we usually do when some of our programs, some of our features, which should work in a way that it should, but it doesn't. It could be in regards with any services like add-ons, if add-ins not working, or any features of Outlook or Word maybe not working. In that scenario, most of our administrators suggest have you try reinstalling the Office package. So what we do, we simply, as you can see, the page uninstall Office from a PC. So we can go to control panel as it is suggesting us. So we can go simply to control panel and we can find the package of Office and then we uninstall it. So as I can see, this is all the programs like Apps for Enterprise, OneNote and Visual. So we can uninstall it. But here a major drawback which I have observed, majorly some of the hidden folders were still Microsoft, you know, in subfolders, programs and any keys still managed to, stay in our machine, which which is not good basically, because if we are uninstalling a program, then we expect that every single thing should delete, and then when we install it, a fresh package should be installed on the machine in order to recover that particular issue that we are trying to resolve. So in that scenario, most of our admins do not go to control panel in order to delete, but some of our admins do manually delete by uninstalling the program from control panel, and they find each and every package in our machine. So if I go here, I will definitely find some of the softwares related to Microsoft. So see, they uninstall it, like remove it manually. So apart from that, we do have a very good option which is known as SARA uninstaller. For that, this is the link. If your issue is not resolved by manually reinstalling, then what we can do, we can install this program, which is a Microsoft 365 uninstall support tool. Okay, and then we should download it and simply run it. So currently you can see all of my Office packages available on this machine, and now I'm going to uninstall it with the help of the uninstaller tool. So this uninstaller, make sure it depends, it will take some time. It is an automated process. Only you have to support with few clicks, and it will remove each and every hidden folders, files and registry keys which may be troubling you in order to raise that particular issue which you're facing in your Office package. So let's do the automated uninstallation, and then we will reinstall the Office package on the machine. So currently, as you can see, I have downloaded it and I have also run that particular program. It will take few minutes to start. Alright, so it is asking for a permission whether you would like to install it or not. So I will say install. Now it is asking for another permission, which I will agree on. And now it will take few time to, troubleshooting the concern of yours. It will make a few checks in order to proceed further. So we'll wait. Rest I will share that particular link from where I have downloaded this particular tool. It is actually a very helpful tool in order to completely removal of Office package. So now after the troubleshooting which this particular tool has done, it was actually checking what all Office softwares I have in this particular machine. So I will make a check on this, that yes, this is the product which I would like to remove, and I will click on next. It will ask if your all files are actually saved. So yes, all files are actually saved here, and I will click on next, and it will restart this particular SARA program. So let's wait. So now SARA is running. Alright, so still running, I guess, in the backend. There you go. Also, in my previous video, I have covered ODT, Office Deployment Tool. So I would like to inform you, if you studied that topic once online, you can also remove Office package with the help of ODT. You just have to modify that XML file. So if you would like to remove, you can use ODT as well. So it depends upon the scenario. ODT is a bit complicated as compared to this. If you're looking for an easy solution and a quick one, so I would rather suggest going for this one. But yes, if you think you have multiple devices where you would like to reinstall program, and it would be a bit difficult in order to run SARA on each and every machine. So in that particular scenario, not for a standalone machine scenario, then you can definitely go with ODT, Office Deployment Tool. You just have to create that XML file, and through networking as well you can install it. Alright, so it has detected and we have gone to the next step, and it is now processing the installation process. So let's wait for a couple of more minutes. It will take some time, and once this is done, it will ask for a quick restart as well.